Are you changing your table saw blade the wrong way? My saw requires 2 wrenches to do the job. With 2 wrenches, you can really tighten that arbor nut if you wanted to, but it doesn't have to be that tight. The nut threads in the opposite direction that the blade spins in, so it's not going to fly off, and neither's your blade. Just snug it up with a reasonable amount of pressure and call it good. Avoiding over tightening is especially important if you have a saw that requires a single wrench operation. You see, many woodworkers will wedge a block of wood in the throat against the front of the blade to keep it from spinning while they break that nut free. If you use crappy blades, I suppose that's fine, but fine blade manufacturers say don't do that. They put a lot of effort into tuning that blade for a perfect cut. If you bend a tooth, even a couple thousandths of an inch, it can affect the blade's performance. So here's a better way. Put the wrench on the arbor and rotate it to the back of the saw. Then slip on some leather gloves and use your hands to break the blade free. If you can't do that by hand, your nut's too tight. To retighten, just do the process in reverse. You'll get it plenty tight that way, and you won't risk damaging the teeth with that block of the wood next time you change it.